How to convert any JPEG image into a PDF file. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can convert any image into a PDF file. So in order to start, the first thing that you can do is simply open up any web browser like Google Chrome, or if you prefer any other like Brave. Then once you have opened it, you will need to come to this particular website, that is I Love PDF. The URL for the same is ilovepdf.com. Now once you are inside this website, you will need to scroll down until you find this button that says JPEG to PDF. This converts JPEG images into PDF in seconds. Easily adjust orientation and margins. So simply click onto this option, that is the JPEG to PDF, and then click onto the select JPEG images, using which you can select any JPEG images within your device gallery. So let's say I've chosen this particular image. Then the next thing that I'm going to do is click onto this done button, and now you can see here is the orientation. If you want to change or adjust a few things, you can click onto the setting option and choose the page orientation, margins and other details as well. Then once you are satisfied, you can simply click onto this convert to PDF button, and you can see that the PDF is ready. Simply click onto this download PDF button and your PDF will be successfully started to get download. So simply wait for the download process to start, and once the download process starts and our PDF successfully downloads, we will be able to view the same. So here you can see our PDF has been successfully downloaded. Let's tap onto this and open it, and now you can see that our image has been successfully converted into a PDF. So that's how easily you can do this. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.